Sheesh, 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 sheesh.
Hailings everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be styling my hair for my birthday. Yay! I'm going to be braiding my hair with this hair. It's an Expression 3x Ghana realistic pre-stretched braiding hair, and it's in the color green, money green. I'm going to be doing two heart braids on the side of my head right here, and then the rest of it will be Chiney Bump. It's gonna look good. I know it's gonna look good because I see it in my head, I see the vision, and the vision is mine, and I know it's gonna look good. My hair has been freshly washed and conditioned. This is an old twist out that I did for my photo shoot. If you're interested to see how this style is going to turn out, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, so like I said earlier, my hair has been in an old twist out. So I'm just taking out my puff right now and giving my scalp like a little massage. While massaging my scalp, I noticed that my scalp was a little bit dry, so I took my oil mix and I am applying that to my scalp just to moisturize and just liven up my scalp a little bit. It was feeling so dry. I had to use my oil mix and just put it on my scalp to kind of freshen it up a bit. And I'm giving myself a little massage, you know, like when your ear in a puff and you take it out and you massage it. That's the best feeling. So right now I am working on the heart braid. This was actually very hard to do, especially since I didn't have like the mirrors and so to look to see if the heart was coming out properly, but I'm really hyped that I got it done on this side. The other side never looked too good, but you know, we still work with it. And now I'm just putting it away in some twists, and then I'm gonna start parting for the knots. So I had already started parting, but I wanted to show you what parting looks like for me. I know I've said this in a lot of other videos, but I really don't pay attention to parting. So now I am applying the wax to the section just to tame those flyaways and to ensure that the section is neat and tidy. I am going to be putting rubber bands on my hair because I wanted to do the rubber band method because I feel like the bumps or knots would come out a lot neater if I did that. And I went ahead and twisted the section, detangled it of course, and then go ahead and twist the section. Now this is part of my prepping process. I love to prep my hair when doing certain styles because it saves me a lot of time, and you know what I'm saying about preparation. If you fail to prepare, you're preparing to fail. So I love prepping my hair whenever I'm doing braided styles. As you can see by each section, I am doing large sections because I wanted to do large knots. I wasn't going to keep this hairstyle in for more than 1 week, so I had to do large sections in order to get the style going properly. So I'm just gonna let you watch me do the sections, do the prep work, and then we're gonna come back and start the braiding process. Alright, so this is the finished look. I love the way how it turned out. It's not super neat as in with the parting, but the sections itself do look very neat and, you know, uniformed and shiny. The wax provided a lot of shine to my hair, so I love the way how it turned out. My hair is giving thick right here and I love it. Alright, so these are the size of the sections that I will be using. That's 2 sections in my hand. So I'm just going to take one section and just detangle it a little bit, and then I'm going to start braiding. I'm going to show you how I section off the braid to do, section off the hair to do each braid. But for now, I just want you to look and see what it is that I am doing. I'm simply just attaching the hair, the green hair, onto my natural hair, and there are a lot of ways that you can attach it, but this is the method that I chose to use. I did not go ahead and detangle the section again after I pulled out the twist. I actually just pulled out the twist and then started braiding because the hair did already detangle. It never made no sense for me to work 2 times. Work smart and not hard. Yes, so now we are twisting the hair into a knot or a bump. In Jamaica we call this style Chiney bump. With each bump, I did go ahead and secure it with a bobby pin. I did use an elastic band at first, but I feel as if the elastic band was not securing my hair properly, so I had to go in and reinforce everything with a bobby pin. I do think that in reinforcing though, you could have sewn down the hair, but I feel like that would have been too much work for me. I love the way how it turned out regardless. This was one of the easiest styles I ever did on myself. I must say, I think that it took me maybe about 2 to 3 hours to get done, and the style is absolutely gorgeous. I will definitely be trying this hairstyle again. Now I'm showing you guys how I did each section to attach the hair. All I did was split 1/2 of the hair in 2, and I placed that on top of my hair, and I just started braiding. Like, you will find your rhythm when you split it in 2 to get the 3 strands, and then you just start braiding. Alright, so the braids at the sides, I was planning on doing some heart braids on the sides, but I did not like the way how they turned out. It made the hairstyle look a little bit off, and that was not what I was going for at all. I wanted the braids to hang down and then curl, but it was just throwing off everything. The proportion was just wrong. Like, it was not coming out good, so I just decided to turn them into knots. So that is why you don't see any heart braids. I know you guys are looking forward to the heart braids. I like the fact that I didn't have to use any mousse to tame the hair. I didn't have a lot of flyaways with this hair at all. I must say though that the next time I use this hair, I will be soaking it in apple cider vinegar, because it did affect my scalp a little bit. Like, I had an itching frenzy with this hair. So I would use the hair again, but I would definitely soak it in some apple cider vinegar to get rid of that itch. But yeah, I'm loving the results. If you tried this hairstyle before, let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this entire process, this entire hairstyle. Don't forget to like the video if you liked what you see, and subscribe for more videos like these. As always, don't forget to pick up yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
te amo, she says to me. I hear the pain in her voice. Then we danced underneath the candelabra. She takes the lead. That's when I saw it in her eyes. It's over. Then she said, te amo, then she put her hand around my waist. I told her no, she cried, te amo. I told her I never run away, but let me go. I saw him cry without asking why. I said, te amo. Somebody tell me what she said. Don't it mean I love